Hello there. This is the first video I'm making on Microsoft Visual Basic. We'll be talking about the basic stuffs of it. So let's begin. First, why it's called Visual Basic. Because we're gonna do most of our stuff by just drag and drop instead of those old procedural language which was basic where we need to write really lengthy codes and then execute it sequentially. But here we're just gonna use drag and drop, or like in C or C++, Java, Python, Ruby, or any other programming language, you used to write really a bunch of codes to do some special task or some simple task. But here we just mostly need to do with our pointers, and we just do really minimal coding in this. And I'll be teaching you really basic stuff. So let's make a simple program now. So as soon as you open Microsoft Visual Basic, you'll be greeted with this dialog box. Here you can choose different project options, but we'll be mostly working on standard exe. Now let's introduce you with the interface. So this is the menu bar where all the menu items you can see, and this is the toolbar. We have some tools, and this is your project option where you can choose your project, and this is the properties menu where you can change different properties of the things we're gonna do here. We'll talk about it later. And these are all the tools we're gonna work with, and this is the form is where we're gonna work and how it looks when we execute the program. So let's make a simple program now. I took this custom command button and let me draw it here like this. This is simply a button. Now we wanted to customize it, so we're gonna do it from this properties, and remember its name is command1. Command1, we're gonna leave it like that, but we wanted to change this thing here. So we wrote, click here. You can change different options, the color, the fonts, but I'm not going into depth. You can mess with it. So I change its caption to click here. Now we're gonna double click on click here, and it opens up this window. And what we're gonna write here is msgbox. Hi, welcome to my channel. So you don't need to write any semicolon or anything in the end, and whatever you're gonna write will be in between these two. And I just wrote this command which will open a dialog box as soon as I click on that box, and it's gonna show us this message. And if you wanted to go back to the form, we can either click here or we can double click here like this, or we can simply click here and we are back to the form. Now let's run this program. To run the program, you can go to run and then start, or else you can press F5, or you can simply run it from here. See, hi, welcome to my channel. But this is in normal form. But if you wanted it to be maximized, like it takes the entire full screen, how we do that? Again, go to form, and now click here, not here, click here, and then go down, and Windows state. In Windows state, it's 0, which is normal. We're gonna make it to maximized. If we do minimized, it's gonna be like minimized somewhere here. We won't be able to see it. So we're doing it maximized. Again, run the program. Now see, it's maximized position. Our channel. So I hope you learned something with this video. See you in the next one. Peace.